Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL Basic Series, episode 2. In this episode, we have learned select statement and where clause. So the select statement is used to get the data from the table. You can either choose a specific column and row. Now the select, what the query? Select name age from the student. And what is used of where clauses? Where clauses is used to record based on the condition. And comparison operators like equal, less than, greater than, or equal to, no, or not equal to. And logical operators and or are not, we can combine multiple conditions using logical operators. So recap of the examples, like some examples, quick queries you have to try yourself. Great work in this episode. You learn how to use select statement and where clause, different operator to fill data in SQL. In the next episode, we have moved to the slotting result using order by and how to use organized data in ascending and descending order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe so don't miss episode 3.